Now I'm going to turn to Greg Farrell right here in New York, because we had an announcement this morning, actually, of the Court of Appeals coming out with a ruling on those subpoenas for tax records.
That's right. A victory for the Manhattan District Attorney Cy Vance. Somewhat predictable, because the district court had also ruled in his favor. It does not mean that the president's going to have to turn over 8 years of tax records. It's quite likely now that it's been kicked back to the federal judge. It will go to the Supreme Court. So Trump is losing in these hearings, but he is succeeding in extending the time process.
Yeah, exactly right. And it's important exactly what's being sought here. They're not actually asking the president to do anything at all. They're going to his accountants,
yes,
saying, please turn it over. And part of what the Court of Appeals, in a 3-0 ruling, said is, wait a second, we're not asking the president to do anything. Yeah. It's a third party turning something over. That's a pretty narrow basis for the Supreme Court to take a different point of view.
Yes. And their argument was also the president has claimed that the disclosure or turning these over would be detrimental to him. And the appellate judges said, well, the last 6 presidents have actually voluntarily shared their own tax returns. So there's no reason to believe this claim that the president's making, that this will harm him in some way.
Yeah, but as you say, the president's lawyer said, next up, the Supremes.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
they're petitioning the court.